up your branded assets in designs to make all of your designing relatively easy when we're using the same either verbiage or the same photos over and over again. So first thing you're going to want to do is come into your command and go down to the Designs applet, select Designs, and let it populate to the next screen here. After that, we're going to go ahead and go to our blue plus on the lower right hand portion, select that, and then go to Import PDF, and we'll select Next. This is going to open up the back end of Designs for you, where we can upload all of our different branded assets. So now up in the top left hand portion you can see My Designs and Templates. I'm sure a lot of you have already seen the templates that we use to design our different marketing material, and we've got My Designs where all of our different designs actually live, and right next to that we've got Brand Assets. You can see currently we have selected colors and fonts. If you want all of the Keller Williams colors, you can get that on kwconnect.com. Or if you're a team that uses the same color scheme over and over again to create that uniformity for your marketing material, you could go ahead and import those here. And you can see we could just select add the color, and we select the color, or we can put the color numbers down here at the bottom. These are just a couple examples that I've used for some other classes, but I did upload the actual Keller Williams color schemes here. And the same if you have certain fonts that you use on your real estate team on a regular basis, you may want to incorporate that in here as well. So on the left hand side we've got other brand assets that we can upload, such as our logos. So if you have a logo, then you want to make sure that you put that in here. This is something that you're going to use on a very regular basis when creating your marketing material. To do that, we make sure that we've downloaded it from our computer, and then we come here to upload, and we have the option of uploading from our device, Google Drive, Dropbox, or Photodexia. Okay? Put all the logos that you want. I believe that you get up to 10 different logos that you can upload into this section, so be sure to use that, and I'll show you in just a minute where you'll find those. After that, we've got our smart text. No one wants to type in their office address over and over again, or maybe your team name or your username here, your email, and these are items that we often put on our marketing material to make sure people know how to find us and reach out to us. So we want to make sure that we put some of that information in here, and again we'll go over how to implement this in just a moment. We've got different images that we might use on a regular basis. These are just some headshot photos that I generally tend to use in some of my marketing that I have uploaded. Again, you can upload up to, I believe, 10 different images for your use here. So pick your favorite ones that you're going to use on a consistent basis. No elements and videos. We can also, if we're going to incorporate videos in a lot of our different marketing materials, this may even be for different email templates that we're sending out. We can upload these videos here. Once we've got those saved and we want to actually implement these now, we can come over to the templates, and this should look a lot more familiar if you've ever dabbled in designs a little bit. And we're going to go ahead and say listings for sale, and I'm going to do just a social wide. That's something that I'm used to using here. And let's do something with a little bit more information, maybe some just listeds. Okay, so I am going to go ahead and pop into one of these designs. So when we're talking about using our brand assets, you can see that when we're under the images section, we've got add. We can add it directly from our computer. We can pull from the company some different pictures that we might want to use, or we can go to my assets, and there we go. We've got the images that I had uploaded to my brand assets that I can use for my different marketing. Now I could take these and I can add them to the marketing piece anywhere I want. Okay, put that down there. I can also, each office is independently owned. I can come to my text on the left hand side, and go to my assets, and you can see that maybe I'll just go ahead and throw Fitzpatrick Real Estate Team on there. I'm going to use the two little arrows for replace text, and you can see it instantly populated it right over here. Let's take this off. Okay. No icons, but we do have a logo. So I'll come in here. I'm going to swap this logo with our Dallas Preston Road. So there we go. I can shrink that down. And you can see how much easier this makes it for changing our marketing material to how we want it. For this one, I'll add this logo. And these are some of the things that we're going to be using when we're really gearing up that listing presentation, trying to make it look really nice and professional and branded to us. So very important to set these brand assets up before we get started, and it'll help save you a lot of time moving forward with any other designing that you tend to do. So I hope this video helped, and be sure to reach out to any of your tech ambassadors for any more information about help on setting those brand assets up, and we look forward to seeing you in the next class.